Hey, Ryan here from RyanMcBond.com, and I have a question for you. Are you struggling online to make money? Because on this video, we're going to be talking about a simple way on how you can make an extra $500 to $700 a month online, so stay tuned. Before I go ahead and get started, I want you guys to go ahead and log into your YouTube account. That way, when you go to the bottom right of this video, you can see that notification bell. And I want you guys to go ahead and hit that notification bell. So when I go upload a new video or whenever I go live, you guys get notified first. Because on this channel, I'm going to be going over product tutorials, reviews, and also some ways that you can make money from home and simple products that you can promote online as a marketer, right? And if you're also looking for a way to earn some passive income online, I have my #1 recommended source to making money from home in the description box below. So check it out. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a simple way that you can use OfferVault to make an extra $500 to $700 a month. Now, a little disclaimer, it's going to require you to do some work. It's going to require you to put some effort into it. And it's going to require you to put some extra time or trade time for money. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So welcome to OfferVault. OfferVault is a go-to source for affiliate marketers. And what I love about this site is, it's real simple. You can register, log in, join other networks. You can advertise. You can add your own offers. There's resources here and webinars as long as you're registered and you can log in. Also, there's training videos on how it works and how to use this specific site and what you can do with it, right? Now when you go in here, you can search for different kind of offers, right? And now one of the biggest niches right now in the online industry is actually health and wellness, right? So if you type in something, if you type in fitness or health and wellness or health and beauty or whatever, you're gonna come up with different let's actually go home. You're going to be able to see different types of offers within that specific niche, right? So let's type in fitness really quick, right? And you can choose, different, like here, for instance, you got Smart Fitness. It's a sponsored listing, and that's $52. You want, if here, Nutrisystem, right? Nutrisystem, great place, right? G4 offers, they're a great great type of vendors, right? Great network. So Nutrisystem here, if we choose fitness or health and wellness or weight loss, right? And we click on it, you're gonna be able to get your you're gonna be able to see the actual capture page of what you can promote, right? So here's the actual capture page, or the actual site, that you're gonna be your customers are gonna be going to, right? So now when you click on this, right, and you get into this area, you're going to be able to see how much you're going to be able to get paid. Now CPA stands for click per action. So for every time somebody actually buys something from your link, you're going to be paid $165 for every action that they take. And the reason why you're going to be able to get paid this much amount of money for anything that you want from this specific affiliate is because they're going to gain a member. Now, they're not looking for the upfront sale. They're looking for down the line, a couple of months from now, 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe a year from now, the amount of money that they're going to make. So they're going to make more money than $165 that they're going to be paying you, right? Because that customer is going to stay, especially in the health and wellness industry, that customer is going to stay for at least 3 to 4 or 5 months or even longer if they're seeing results, right? So they're going to be making money in the back end or in the long run and they're going to be making more than $165. So that's what they can pay you the $165 up front. All right, so that's just one way that you can make money here online with OfferUp and with actually using Nutrisystem. Nutrisystem, like I said, it's like I said, health and wellness. Again, I'm going to say it again. It's one of the biggest industries and niches in the online world, right? Especially with Nutrisystem, you're going to get this whole entire access to the whole entire site. So whatever they use, whatever they buy, whatever somebody buys from your affiliate link or your affiliate page, you'll be able to make that $165. Depending on what they get here, right? So once you sign up with them, all you gotta do is click Join Network, and once you click Join Network, they're gonna give you your affiliate link. Now, what you can do with your affiliate link is real simple, right? There's different ways that you can actually advertise this. Now, one way that I like to advertise this is through Facebook ads. I would throw a Facebook ad, and set the set everything down narrow down to people who are specifically looking to lose weight, right? Same thing with Facebook, with YouTube. If you go to YouTube, real quick, you can type in weight loss and you can see how many different types of people that are posting up weight loss videos, right? Now, maybe you don't have, the six-pack abs, or maybe you're still, you're not into health and wellness, or you're not into fitness, right? But what you can actually do is you can go to Fiverr and you can type in fitness videos, right? Sorry, guys. Now, when you type in fitness video, you're going to have so many different offers here, right? So here, I will make a fitness video for you. And wait for this to load up. All right. Now, this person's offering you $50, right, to make a one exercise and multiple angles description. So this person's going to make a video for you. I mean, maybe you're not into Pilates or whatever she's trying to do here, right? Let's go back to something else. So if you're a guy and you want somebody to create a fitness video here, he's charging $10, and we'll see what you can get for $10 here. You get one fitness video and with your choice of exercise, right? So let's see if they have any other offer. And then don't forget, always look for reviews before you go ahead and purchase from one of these vendors. And make sure that they're real and stuff like that, so you don't get scammed or anything like that. Okay, all right. So yeah, you can just he'll create a fitness video for you. Now, when you take this video and you upload it to YouTube or something like that, here, for instance, you're gonna notice you're gonna put. See, they're gonna have their affiliate links down here. All right. All the affiliate links are down here. Use a code, and you can do the same thing with this on YouTube, right? That's another way you can promote, the Nutrisystem, or if you want to say, or any kind of system or any kind of product online on YouTube, right? But like I said, it's very targeted. You can, with YouTube videos, and if you want to do YouTube ads, you can set your target, it's to specifically people who are looking to lose weight. Same thing with Facebook. If you're going to set Facebook ads, you can specifically set your Facebook ads to target specific people from an age, from age range to, to even, their profession, to their income, you know what I'm saying, or even what their goals are. If they're, like I said, if you're weight loss, there's a big group of weight loss. You can go on Facebook and you can join Facebook groups that are in weight losses, and you can promote this in there as well. All right. So that's it for me today, guys. That's another way you can make money online using OfferVolt, right? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I go live or upload a new video. All right. Also, if you're looking to make passive income, go ahead and check in the description box my #1 recommended source for making money online. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. See you on the next video. Peace.